Hello everyone, welcome back to Pathshala. Welcome back to Biotechnology Part 3. Oh my god, guys, I don't believe we are moving so fast and we are moving in such an amazing way, right? I mean, we learned about so mind blowing things. We learned how was a bacteria becoming a protector of a plant, or how we were literally silencing RNA. Oh my god, don't they sound like science fiction? But well, they are true. Those of you who are thinking what all I'm talking about, well, you can hear the answers in the last two videos so that you can also understand what mind blowing things we are going to discuss here today. And yes, please go and check out the last two videos so that you can understand the concepts I'll share with you here better. So, before I start explaining you in the part 3 of this chapter, I would like to introduce myself to you as well. My name is Aditi Goyal. I'm a final year MBBS student at RUH's College of Medical Sciences. I have been teaching biology from past 5 years and I have also been a mentor for medical students. So yes, now let's start with the further more amazing and let's hear about more mind-blowing things. So yes, now let's talk about this recombinant revolution in healthcare. We talked about how it was helping the agriculture industry. Today let's talk about how is it helping our doctors, the entire healthcare industry. So one challenge the healthcare industry faces is earlier in diabetes. We learned in diabetes, and if you don't know about how diabetes happens, go and check out my videos of chemical control and coordination where I've explained the mechanism very, very thoroughly. But for the brief, we know in diabetes there is a deficiency of hormone called insulin produced by our pancreas. So, in order to overcome that deficiency, we inject these patients with insulin. Now, this insulin used to firstly being brought from non-human sources like slaughtered cattle, pigs, and since it's not our insulin, it caused a lot of unwanted immune responses in the host body. So a solution that came through this recombinant technology was recombinant therapeutics. We actually took a copy of a human insulin and we regenerated it, enabling the production of safe and effective drugs, actually the human recombinant insulin. So nearly 30 recombinant therapeutics have been approved worldwide and 12 are being marketed in India as well, and this has reduced the anaphylactic reactions to insulin so less, and that's so amazing, right? So let's talk about this insulin. So mammalian insulin, our insulin, is basically synthesized like a prohormone. We talked about in this last video in different thing as well, right? Prohormone is basically not the activated hormone, the one its powers. So a prohormone has a chain A, chain B, and what makes it inactive is the extra stretch called C peptide. As soon as the C peptide gets removed, it becomes the peptide insulin, the active one. So what happens is bacteria cannot naturally remove this C peptide. So what do we do then? Then in 1983 came the real breakthrough. Ellie Lilly. She prepared two DNA sequences for A and B chains. She replicated them for A chain and B chain separately. Since we were not able to remove the C chain, and they were produced in the organism, the bacteria called E. coli, and extracted. Then we combined them using the disulfide bonds. The disulfide bonds are present even in our human insulin to form the actual mature insulin. Wow. Yes. So this is so interesting, ma'am. I never knew that my hormone could be created in a bacteria even. I know your mind is being blown at every stage in this chapter. And believe me, more interesting things are going to come in your way. But it also happens when we look at actually at our textbooks at a learning perspective rather than become just seeing them as marks. So if you are looking for a complete study solution like this, you definitely need to check out Pathshala. They offer one-on-one live classes, instant doubt solving, and premium study materials that cover all grades and all boards. It's basically like having a personal tutor in your pocket. To get started, just download the app using the link in the description box below. Search for the subject you want to learn and they will connect you with the best teachers in the country. Seriously, go check it out. The link is right down in the description box below. And guys, please like this video. Please share this with your friends who might find it helpful, and please comment down all your queries. I would be really happy to help. And please stick around so that we can learn about more such interesting concepts in biology. Keep learning, keep studying. All the best.